Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I got some upgrades we're going to be doing to the Miata today again. I ordered a dual core Mishimoto aluminum radiator and some new hoses. I figured I'd go with a more performance radiator. Anyway. Got it in the box, along with the puppy dogs. Yeah, let's go ahead and get to it.
Guess you could always talk to your neighbor.
Hello, let's get to this unboxing. This is like the best part. And I got my wife here helping me today. This is going to be a nice upgrade, also aesthetically. Because the aluminum radiator is going to look so much better than the stock plastic one. Alright, it looks pretty good, guys. I don't see any imperfections anywhere. The welds look solid. So, I'm happy with it. My car has the mounts, the rubber mounts. If your car has been messed with or had a radiator replaced, some people don't remove the mounts and put them back right. You'll run into some trouble installing this if you don't have those. What's up, pup? Alright, hopefully you guys can see this. I've never had any overheating issues in this car, but the factory radiator is brown. Usually when they go bad they turn green. This one has turned full brown. This is supposed to be black, like all this whole top part. But yeah. Let's get this sucker out. Fun. What you doing, pup? Alright, so I've got a 95 1.8 Miata, and the intake tube is a little different, so we're gonna remove this before we start taking everything else off. So you got a clamp here, and then there's another clamp there, and then intake tube can come off. And then for the radiator itself, there's 2 bolts, and I think there's 2 more at the bottom, so there should be 4 total. I could be wrong. And the whole assembly with the radiator, or the cooling fan shroud, should come out together. But you want to start by draining everything first. Take your cap off, and do this whenever your engine is cool. Go underneath, plastic drain here. It's a Phillips, and you can strip these out really easy. It's plastic, so be careful. Make sure you got a good bite on it, and let it drain.
So I just do this?
Sweet.
Only made a little mess.
After you get your upper radiator hose off, you're going to have two different connectors for your electric fans. Here and here. You're going to need to disconnect those. Pull your lower radiator hose off. Drop stuff.
Don't mind me. It's so... Look how cute he's being.
Undo the mounts. 10 mil here, I believe. And here. And pull her out.
How do I do that?
So you squeeze this here and then pull.
Boop.
So you pick up on this little tab here and pull out.
Boop.
Them old hoses are crusty. Alright, so the Mishimoto radiator came with some caps. Use the caps on the old one so when you're pulling it out you don't leak, you know, whatever residual fluid you have in your old one. Mamskis. Also, I'll add the link to this radiator in the description. This is just the dual core. They also have a 3-core, and they sell their electric fan kit and shroud kit for the 3-core as well, and the 2-core. All we did, we're just reusing the factory shroud and electric fans though. Yeah, I'll link it below. Alright, so put the cap on the old radiator. And so here is one of the mounts I was talking about. It could be broken or removed, or if somebody's put an aftermarket radiator in your car already and it wasn't done right, usually these are gone. Let's see, the only other thing that has to be taken off, and sure enough ours is broken, for the AC lines, it's rusted through. That clamp here has to be taken off, and then the 2 bolts up top, and then you can pull this out. Alright, after you get them 2 bolts out, you should be able to push the radiator towards the engine just a hair and lift straight up.
Oh, I can do it yet.
Alright, and since we're reusing the factory fans, this is your actual cooling fan, and this is for your air conditioner system if your car has factory AC. Pretty self-explanatory. Just remove the mounting bolts. I would be pretty careful. All the plastics are very brittle. Just be careful. And removing these lower mounts, they have a C-clip. You kind of just push in, squeeze it a little bit, and press that C-clip out on the end, and it'll pop out this way. And then the rubber portion, get another screwdriver. I might even be able to do it with my hands. The bushing's so worn out. Yep. You'll take this little end cap out, and then put your screwdriver through here. And kind of work it through. And it comes out. And you can see how it's cut. slide in the opening, and it's just like that on the Mishimoto radiator. Just like so. Alright guys, we ran to Ace Hardware real quick to get some new hardware. All of the factory bolts holding in our electric fans were super rusty, and 3 of them snapped off. So I went ahead and did myself a favor and got some brand new hardware. It is a M6 by, let's see, what is it? M6 by 16. They only had 4. You actually need, I believe it's 8. 2, actually 4 of the mounts on my fans are broken, so I can only use 4, but you need 8. Yeah. Alright, let's get these fans on. We got the fans and shroud installed. Everything lined up really good. Got the new rubber installed off the old radiator. Lower mounts. So far I'm pretty happy with it. The welds look decent and everything lined up fitment wise, so we're gonna see how it fits going back in. Alright, we got everything back installed and just topped it off. We're about to start it up and let all the air bubbles bleed out. It looks so much better. Alright y'all, we got the system bled and everything is good to go. No leaks, thankfully. So, I'm super happy with it. It looks really awesome. It's definitely going to be an improvement. Little Miata's coming along. What do you think?
I'm happy with it.
Alright. That's going to be it for this one, y'all. Laugh at me. If you have any questions or concerns, please comment below, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys.